Hi friends, today I am trying to recognize some stocks in our Parrot and Cage strategy and try to reverse engineer them using Chartink. Let's start with briefing the strategy. So this is the Parrot and Cage strategy by Kamalpreet Singh. It has three basic steps: analysis step and execution step. In the analysis step, we try to select stocks in TradingView stock screener. Then so basically in the stock screener we try to select the new monthly high stocks and sort them by volume, price, and the market cap, and we try to look at the stocks on a 5-year time frame with an anchored volume profile tool and a chandelier exit selected. If we have a step up pattern, then we move to the execution step where we uh, have this moving average ribbon, and this moving average ribbon has two parameters. One is simple moving average of length 22, the source is high of the candles, and another one is length 22 and source is the low of the candle. So i I have used these this strategy to identify few stocks through our trading view. So this is the stock screener, and when I try to view the stocks in this strategy, usually what I have seen is a lot of stocks. These are repetitive stocks which are in the strategy latest, and a lot of repetitive stocks are there, and most of them we usually say the train has left the station. Like for example, in this Reliance stock, here probably here we had a buying signal, but we cannot say that we should enter right now or not. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a scanner using our different parameters listed here, and I try to identify the stocks where the candle is just leaving this stage. So let's move to the scanner. So basically this is Chartink. This is a tool available for everyone to see over the web. They have their free plans and premium plans. So the requirement for this strategy is just a simple free plan. So what I have done is I have used a very simple coding here. So this is charting coding, whatever the interface they provide. I try to explain quickly. What I have done is on the daily time frame, the low of the Heikin candle should cross above the daily SMA high of 22. So basically SMA high 22, this is our upper band. So when this Heikin candle is crossing above, only then we should have some stocks. So this is the scanner I've built. I have tried to add few 1 2 3 iterations. We'll check them later on. Let's try to focus on this one first. I try to run it, then I can see these are the stocks which came in my scanner. This is the list. Let's check these stocks one by one. So first I want to explain what I tried to did was, this is the Heikin candle. Low of the Heikin candle should leave this upper band today. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to identify the stocks who are leaving this section and identify them on our execution time frame. And after the execution time frame is verified that this is a good setup, we can actually trace back on the 5 years time frame and actually fulfill our requirement to understand if this stock is in step up or not. If both of these satisfy, then we can say that this could be a potential stock for our swing trade. Similarly, for example, HCL Tech. Now, what's happening here is, here the condition was fulfilled, but stock was actually sort of re-entered on the previous day and then came back up. To remove it, I can actually place one more condition where I can check that 3 days ago I could have done it one day ago, 2 day ago, 3 day ago. So I basically, to for adding this line, my idea was that this stock was in the range 3 days ago. That could be a better marker or better selection criteria. So if I run this, now the HCL stack stock is not here. Now only power grid. If I use my usual steps for the strategy, I'll mark the top. So tomorrow, if the this point breaks, then I can buy the stock, and usually the stop loss etc. can be marked. Similarly, Godrej Properties also came in. IGL also came in. So like for IGL, it's it's in D pattern. So I can simply remove this stock. For Godrej Properties, this stock did not quite re-enter the cage. So this section is debatable whether we should enter here or not. Ideally, I believe we should not. Oil is very good example of stock. Fine, we can reverse engineer, sort of reverse engineer and recognize.